Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word tris. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Tris had been studying tirelessly for her final exam in chemistry. In this context, Tris is likely a person's name and refers to a female character who is diligently preparing for her upcoming chemistry exam. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.